Hey guys, welcome to my video. This is episode number 2 of my series of side hustles of $100 to whatever. I'm kind of focusing on flipping couches right now, so that's probably what you're here for. This episode we do pretty good. We left off last episode. We only sold one thing last episode, I'm pretty sure, but we bought a few more. So sell some of those and get quite a few more and sell some more this episode too. So I hope you stay to the end and see what we leave off on. On the last episode, we left off at $80, so hopefully we can get that much higher this week. So I'm here in my dad's basement with this green chair again. I'm going to try and post it today. It's Tuesday, haven't done much this week. There's like no couches, so don't know what's up with that, but kind of sucks. So I bought this chair and the brown chair, both of them for $50. Just finished cleaning this one up and fixing it. Gonna see if I can post it, maybe get like $180 for it. That's what I'm gonna try and get. So I'll update you guys if it sells. So I honestly forgot about the brown one. Here's the brown one. I got both of those sitting together. So I'm gonna post the brown one for like $160 or best offer. I did over here. I went in and added some stuffing to the arm, and then I had to stitch it up. So I just didn't like how it looked before. Because of that, it'll probably get less, but I'll make sure to include that in the listing description. Same on the side over here. But hopefully they sell. If not, not too big of a deal. So I'm back in the garage on the chair. Hopefully this isn't just my chair that I get to sit on in every video. I hope I sell it. I actually just took measurements for this one because somebody messaged me and they wanted to know how big it is. So hopefully they're pretty serious and it fits whatever they need. I haven't got anything for the brown one. That white couch I did end up selling for $60 yesterday. I forgot to get a video of it, but I had it listed for $75, and after I think like 4 or 5 days I dropped it to $60, and then it sold after like another day or so. They paid me an extra $10 to deliver it, which typically for delivery I'd probably charge a little bit more than that, but I just really wanted that couch gone because that's actually the only message that I got on it. Other than that, I mean, it's Friday and there's been absolutely nothing going on. I need to find different things to do because the couches where I'm at right now, there's really none. I've been looking and I haven't actually even like missed out on any good deals. There's just none being posted for the most part that I've seen. Hopefully this weekend changes that and I can come across a couple good deals, but I mean, this whole entire past week there's been literally nothing. So after that $70 profit from that couch, I'm up to $150 that I can spend. Hopefully this will sell. I've got it listed for $195 and some lady is messaging me about it. I have the brown one listed for $150 and I'm probably going to drop that here soon and hope that it sells. Other than that, I'll see you next time I get something. Hello. So it's Sunday and I just got a new couch. I was talking to this guy off of Craigslist yesterday about this couch and we came to agreement of $50 for it. Here's the couch. It's really nothing special. It's just a decent couch. I think I might be able to get a little over $100 for it. So I'm gonna vacuum this off, wash it real quick, and then I'm gonna get it posted up. So it's Monday. In the garage, getting ready to work on this couch. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do. So there's one little rip right there. And one little rip right there. So I'm going to sew both of those up and move it to the storage unit and then take pictures and hopefully sell it. So I'll get back to you guys when I'm at the storage unit, I guess. Hello, so I'm back in the storage unit. I'm sitting on this white couch that I got I think yesterday. I cleaned it off yesterday and I just took it to the storage unit. I sewed up those little tears, so I guess I'll show you those real quick. So that first one was right there, right there. Sewed that up pretty good. The other one was over here, and that one's not quite as good, but it's still not too bad. Can't really notice it. So I sewed those up, and I've been looking for other couches, but honestly, there's still just not really anything in my town right now. Still have these chairs over here. Not much is happening with those chairs. I'm gonna have to drop the price quite a bit, honestly. I think that maybe just my town's a little too small for this, and it's a little like they're not quite in style here. So I'm gonna drop those chairs down, probably like $40 each. Drop them down $40, not to $40. And then see if they hopefully sell here pretty soon. Don't really have much else going on, but I'll see you guys when I do. So I'm actually going to remember to measure it today, because I know for sure somebody would ask. So might as well get it out of the way, put it in the description in the first place. So I'm back at my place just eating some dinner. It's about 9 o'clock. I just got back from picking up a couch. I spent $50 on it. I'll throw up a screenshot right here. Hopefully over there. It just popped up. It was listed for $100. I asked if they do 75. I'd go pick it up right now because I might have a buyer lined up already. I've got a coworker who is looking for some brown couches and one of them with a sleeper. So hopefully the person wants this and I can just make a pretty easy, quick sale to them. If not, I actually got it for $50. The dude just told me $50 when I got there. I don't know why, but I'm cool with that. So worst case, I think I should be able to make like $100 off of it. It's a pretty cool couch. It's kind of outdated. It is kind of got like a cabin feel to it though. It's like brown, and I know it's got like bear pillows and stuff like that. It's kind of cool, but it's not super modern, but I think I'll still make money off of it, hopefully anyways. So yeah, I'll give you a rundown of that tomorrow. See you guys. All right, so it's been a few days. Don't look at me. It's been a few days since I updated you guys. It is Wednesday. So that white couch, I don't know if I filmed it or not, but I bought a white couch for $50. I cleaned it and then I sold it for $140. And so after selling that one couch for $140, that left me with, I'm pretty sure, $240. Yeah, I think so. I just bought a few more couches today. I'll show you guys. So I bought, so this is a couch set right here. I've got this couch set for $100. There's a little tear in an armrest I gotta sew up. This is like a reclining love seat with cup holders and all that stuff. I bought that for $20. And here's a recliner. It has heated seats and also it vibrates and stuff. It's just really dusty. I bought that for $40. So love seat, couch. I am just cleaning them up tonight and then I'm going to take them to the storage unit, but it's getting kind of dark out, so I need to do it pretty fast. So I'm going to get to it and then I'll probably show you guys when I'm at the storage unit again. Hey guys, here at the storage unit. Got these couches over here. I'll show you guys. So there's the couches. Got my girlfriend over here in the truck. Gonna load these up, take pictures. Sorry, I'm gonna take pictures of them, put them in the storage unit, post it, and then gonna go work on the other couch a little bit still. Gotta sew it up a little. I did sew up a couple spots on this couch. So there was a little hole right there, and then a hole right there. Got it sewed up pretty good, but not too noticeable, shouldn't be a big deal. I'll disclose that in the description. But yeah, so just gonna take pictures, get these posted up, and hopefully make some good money on them. I think I'll post them at 300, 350 maybe, we'll see. So I don't remember if I showed you guys, but I'm in my storage unit. My girlfriend's laughing at me. Look at her smug little face. So I'm in my storage unit. I just put these 2 couches in here, this one and this one. Here's that brown one that I got the other day. There's a vase on it. But I just listed that couch today for $150. I got one message, but I haven't sold it yet. But I don't remember if I showed it or not, so there it is. Bye. So I just brought the last couch over to the storage unit with my girlfriend. It looks pretty good. It had a pretty big gash in it. I sewed it up, and I'll show you guys what it looks like now. So that's what it looks like. It's right there. You can definitely tell that something's wrong with it, but I mean, from a distance it doesn't look too bad, and it looks better than it was before. So hopefully it's good enough to be able to sell for a decent amount. I'll let you guys know when it sells. So it is Saturday, and I'm loading up that brown couch, the bear thing. I guess they're all brown, but the couch that has like the bears and moose and stuff. The one in the back, of course, gonna have to move all of the other couches. So that's what the storage unit looks like right now. Kind of full, but I could stick them all up. But anyways, I'm gonna grab that one, and then I sold it for $150, and I'm delivering it about like 15 minutes away for $20. So so $170 total on that one, and I bought it for $50. So gonna be $120 profit. So that was the last thing that I sold this week and bought. I didn't really end it off at a good spot, so I'm gonna end it up here. So we started episode 2 with $80 and the green chair, brown chair, and the free white couch. So this episode we sold that white couch for $70. That was all profit. We bought another couch for $50 and sold it for $140, so that's $90 profit. We bought the brown couch for $50, sold that for $170, so that's $120 profit. And then we bought the reclining love seat for $20, haven't sold that yet. We bought the couch set for $100, haven't sold that yet. And the black recliner for $40, we haven't sold that yet. So this episode we profited $280, but we did buy some more stuff. So all said and done, we are left at $200 with the 2 chairs, the couch set, the love seat, and the black reclining chair. I'm editing this pretty far after all of this happened, actually. I kind of got really busy and fell behind. I forgot the camera a few times and just kind of wasn't the best at it. Gonna try and be better, but we'll see what happens in the future. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, subscribe.